Gigi. Come here. Come here, Gigi. Look, come here. Come here. Don't pay attention to the floor. She's like, I don't care, it's on the floor. What's it with dogs? You offer something out of your hand, and it's like, if it's on the floor, they eat the floor stuff first. Come here, Gigi. Come here. Whoop, whoop, come here. Say no. I promise you I wouldn't get on the rug. She's just looking it up. She's got this little white dot. I don't even think she's aware of it. Honestly, I don't think she's aware of it. Gigi!
Aww.
Gigi! Come on,
Aww.
Gigi!
Girl.
Come here. Come here, come here, come here. This is gonna...
You did a magic girl.